Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge token. Wow, Shibadoge have hit about 10.5% increase in price today, and that's amazing to see Shibadoge hitting 10%. We know that yesterday and even past few days, Shibadoge have been going down, and we have been expecting this increase because definitely this will attract Shibadoge investors to keep having faith on Shibadoge. Now, Shibadoge token, I believe that this increase will definitely bring in some few people to start investing, because remember, when a coin start increasing, you will see a lot of people will start rushing or buying that coin at that moment. And I still believe that Shibadoge, with this increase 10% within the past 24 hours, is amazing. But I think the developers still need to focus on Shibadoge partnership. They need to focus on Shibadoge burning, because definitely if Shibadoge can get more partnership, that is going to help Shibadoge price. For now, Shibadoge still need a lot of support. They need to gain a lot of support from different crypto exchanges, industry, and top crypto investors like Ethereum World. Ethereum World has already supported Shibadoge in the past, and that support was a positive one. So we still hope if Ethereum World can still come back, and if Ethereum World can keep supporting Shibadoge. For me, I think Shibadoge to focus on 2023 roadmap. They should focus on 2023 in the area of listening and the area of burning Shibadoge token. If Shibadoge can gain at least 3 or 5 top crypto exchanges that will list Shibadoge, that is going to help the price of Shibadoge. Remember, even though we can see coins like Terra Classic, Vickpoint, you see these coins increasing because of some top listening. So if Shibadoge can get that support of Crypto.com, Exit.com, Lbank, Hotbit, Kucoin, Get.io, definitely Shibadoge is going to hit a massive increase in price. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.